station. Renatta's not talking, her glasses are fogged up.
Holy!
Brought up the grim of the stool.
I know. But maybe
Oh
people haven't
my
listened to
God.
that.
Bloody Toyota driver.
What do you mean?
The Bradzilla. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Look-see.
Fucking hell! Jesus, what a dumb fuck.
Now you see that standout? Now that is a dirty little bastard.
Fucking hell!
That was a big green.
He pulled out from behind me too.
Just to say, oh look, hey Scotties. Doing a wheel to West Creepy. On and maybe.
What are you doing, you twit? Snow job, more like blow job.
you stopping there? That's a green light, idiot.
Where the boot is.
Wow.
What the fuck is this guy doing?
Oh my god. What the fuck is wrong with people today? Jesus.
No, man, that's fucking twice in a minute. Is it a full moon?
I don't know, but there's fuckwits everywhere.
Hey, this guy's got no lights on.
Nice one. That's not
Holy shit, what a fucking idiot.
Was he running from the cops or something?
I don't know, but he just got the wrath of the fucking LED. Did he just turn his lights on?
Oh my god.
He had a hard slam on brakes.
Oh, he's hard.
They can afford to only be open 3 days a week. They can afford to pay the tax. The reality is this, regional surgeries don't make a great deal of money. And if you impose an extra cost, like this payroll tax and whatever the doctor makes on top of the surgery, the surgery will seek to recoup that from the patient. So, you know, whatever it costs to go and see those doctors in Wangaratta or wherever it is now, it'll be that amount plus, I don't know, 20, 30 bucks. Or it was stolen, one of the two. Or it was stolen, one of the two. Yeah, bit of a mess.
Ouch.
Yeah, follow the black car.
Turn right and then turn right.
Bang! Do the camera.
The Sky Clipper has limited passenger capacity. Well, if there's truly no danger, why don't we remove 2 members of the honor guard so that my dear nephew...
What a dick. This wanker in this ute just threw out a drink bottle, possibly Fanta, out his window into the oncoming lane.
Are we talking about Order 66 or are we talking about stuff from Brittany Renner? What are we doing? Or do you have a question?
I wanted to talk about like high value men.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
I got it. Good luck. Firing.
So this shit stain behind me, we're in an 80km/h zone, no keep left. I'm on, not even cruise control, autopilot doing 80. 3 lanes of traffic in front of me, all full doing 80. Yet he decides to come up right behind me and flash his lights at me like I need to move out of his way. Now he's about to duck up here, and I'm like, okay, so where are you intending on going? Where are we going, son? What the fuck are you doing? Why am I attracting road rage today? What an absolute...
A few moments later.
Look at this guy. What a pissant. Oh look, he's got one spot. Still left his indicator on. Congratulate him on his multiple overtakes that got him nowhere. To react to something. Oh, there he is. Look at this shit stain.
Hello. Is it possible for me to get a copy of that video that you created? Yeah, you can request it from the local police. From the local police?
What the fuck are you doing? Dickhead. It's a fucking right turn. Fucking Jesus. What the fuck are you doing? Had this compliance at a legal right turn spot with my indicator on well ahead of time, and this complete buffoon is giving me the finger and hitting the horn at me. Oh yeah, what a dick. I was thinking, what's the horn for? I completely forgot myself. No fucking left turn. What a bastard. Oh, we're gonna have a crash. That's good shit. What a fucking moron. We've got ourselves a complete fucktard here. What the fuck are you doing? You
Robert.
If we didn't take the brakes off.